Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, it's Friday, and it's Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from the climes of South Asia. That be India, folks. This is top ramen chicken noodles. Yes, and no, this is not like Lubbock, India, or Nashville, India. This is India, India. So don't expect this to be like beef, pork, chicken, oriental kind of chicken. This is like India, okay? Anyways, we have a scholar with us today. The irrefutably reputable person, Matt Bella. Hey Matt, how you doing?
Greetings from Capitol Hill, the power vortex of the world.
Capitol Hill?
Yeah, I'm here to interview Joe Biden, but I'm being stuffed by his aide.
They'll do that. So, you want to talk about Joe Biden?
Why not?
Well, I'll tell you what, I thought the Joe was pretty rad. Joe the Biden. I like him definitely a lot more than Donald the Trump.
Well, that's not a reason to like someone. Comparing a wicker basket to a dog turd.
Exactly.
You would wear the wicker basket on your head.
But this is the thing. I mean, it's like he's done a couple things that are just freaking stupid. Okay, I have no problem, and I would totally welcome a female vice president, a female president, a black woman, with a hangnail. I don't care. I just don't care. Gender and politics don't mean crap. When it comes, I mean, it does. Gender, race, they're huge topics, but basing your choice of candidate off of gender and race, that's stupid. That's the dumbest thing. If you're doing it, oh, we're gonna do this, and this is how we're gonna win. Dude, if you wanted to win, you would have gone with Sanders as a running mate.
Yeah.
Come on. There's not about winning. This is about advancing Democrat stuff. Which, I'm a violently liberal person. I think that the Second Amendment should be destroyed, burned up, whatever. Or at least, if you are in 1777 and there are people coming to your door to knock it down and kill you in the name of the British Empire, then, whatever you need to do. But currently that just doesn't seem to be happening. Your thoughts?
I live in a small town, and half the people I know are redneck Republicans who own guns and go hunting, and the other half are super hippies. So I have friends on both sides of the aisle, and I think they're both fucking boring, honestly. I browse Facebook, and I'm just like, God, my friends are boring and predictable. I'll post something. I mean, one of them is like the kind of people who post pictures of Greta Thunberg on her sailboat, and then like little diagrams pointing out all the things that are made from carbon and use gas in the picture. Oh crap! She's a hypocrite.
Leave right? Greta alone.
and then the other people will be like, "Oh, here's an immediate first day of the news story link to the Ahmed Aubrey shooting." The black dude that got shot, and just immediately jumped to the conclusions it was, race inspired. And then I'll break it down because I actually did the research and be like, well, here's the history of the situation and what actually happened, and be like, that's a long-winded excuse for a racist killing. And it's like, okay, so nobody wants to listen to anybody else.
Well, nobody
Yeah.
cares about anything other than their own opinion, and that's just the
Correct.
natural byproduct of the internet and social media. Social media is a
People in
way to
general
give
want to
people a
exacerbate
feeling.
social media.
Social media is there to give people a feeling of that what they think actually matters one iota. And it doesn't, you know? It's like when you're in a big hodgepodge stinky pot of, say, masala. How many different ingredients are in that pot? You put them all together, you get masala flavor. And you can't really distinguish each nuance and each flavor.
Right.
You get this one big tasty thing. Well,
Totally.
everybody thinks that every little ingredient that they adds something spectacular, something wonderful. And it doesn't. It just adds
We are not
more.
masala.
It just adds more nausea. The human element in the internet is just nauseation. And it's just not necessary. People aren't necessary to the internet. All can be done with an algorithm. You know?
True.
I mean, get those big supercomputers down in the basements of those big government sciencey places. And just working on writing, oh my god, one of my kids just loaded their diaper. Oh no.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm cook. I mean, I hope it's not the noodle.
Wouldn't be a very great advertisement.
What are you doing, Mimi? Did you drop a deuce? Ladies and gentlemen, back to the show. Alright, so I got these noodles. Let's give them a try. Yeah, just kind of like what I expected. It's got a chickeny flavor. It's got a, what do you call it? It tastes like chicken, but it also, the noodle has a really kind of mushy texture. And then the broth is basically a gravy. And it works. I mean, it works well. It reminds me of one of those like side dish noodle things that you get. But it's good. Indian noodles, that's just their thing. They always have like this sauciness to them, and I like that.
Nice.
I got one more. I got two more. I got a smooth curry, and I've got a masala.
Very good.
So we'll see how those go in the
You know
short.
what you're going to garnish like we discussed? Like maybe like a samosa or something?
Oh, what I've got here today is there it is. I've got egg.
Mm-hmm.
It's chicken, so when you have a chicken, you have an egg, Matthew.
Ah,
I better hurry. I don't want that thing to explode out of whatever they're... Man. It's hard doing a critically acclaimed recipe time show and tasting foods while you have the scent of child wonderment in the background. It's, getting glared at, I can feel it. I can feel the glares of my children. There. Egg snipped. And then I've got some chicken. Where's the chicken? Oh, it's on that. I've got a plate with chicken. And I'm gonna put this chicken on here. And then I got something special for the chicken. Special chicken. Here you go, special chicken. Alright. I've got some chutney. I've got this Sharwood Major Gray Mango Chutney. It says mild and fruity. Mild and fruity. Have you ever had this?
mango chutney?
The Sharwood brand.
Or mango chutney?
Yeah.
No, but I had homemade mango chutney, well, restaurant-made mango chutney with my vegan vindaloo pasty the other day.
Oh, God. I'm just gonna generously slather it on this chicken. The globulins. I don't know that I've ever had chutney. Oh, that's weird. Now I want real chutney because this comes in a jar. And I got it at Safeway. And I don't see an expiration. Oh, there's an expiration date. Oh, wow. February of 2021. I was expecting it to have, like, expired 5 years ago because, I mean, really, who goes to Safeway to buy chutney?
Garbage people.
Garbage people? Is that what you just said?
Yeah.
Sorry. I didn't realize I was garbage people until now, but I think you're right. God. That's rough, dude. Man. Thought we were friends.
I think I lost track of the conversation there for a minute, sorry.
Oh, well, garbage people. Let's see. Make sure these noodles are more easily seen by our viewing friends in the audience. By the way, if you're in the mood for something fancy or something completely different, go over to thechocolatebreak.com and watch our older episodes. My wife and I do a wonderful program just for you about chocolate, and we sometimes say chocolate bars look like bowel movements. So, a little bit of jocularity there for you. And now, with that being said, let's look at this wonderful dish that I have prepared that isn't gonna really have a lot to... Why isn't this... What's going on? This isn't going well. Let me bring the camera over here. I'm gonna have to do it more of a centered kind of fun here. Here we go. There's our fun. All right, and we're going to Rotato work its magic, and we're going to change this song because this song sucks. Let's see. Here we go. All right, Rotato, take it away. Yes, y'all. This has been Nissin Top Ramen Chicken Flavor from India. And India is a place. Not a fake man. It's not a fake place. It's a real place. There are people, lots of people there. They have beards. They have hats. Some of them have animals that they enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, I mean, there's all sorts of people, all sorts of places. Don't let Donald Trump tell you that outer space doesn't exist except for cheese on the moon. And yeah, I think that about covers it all. Do you have anything to add for this, the second and final episode of the day, sir? Hello?
Hello, yes, this is great.
Yes, and you like this?
I enjoyed our conversation, slightly political.
Decidedly so. Yeah.
Fantastically entertaining.
Do you want to add anything? I'll allow you now to plug yourself,
Sure.
or unplug yourself, however you want to put it, about your literary offerings on the Google machine. Why don't you tell people how they can find you?
Yeah, so my website is matthewbella.com. Link if you have it in the description, hopefully. It's a showcase for my work. I'm a writer, science fiction mostly, some historical fiction. I read a lot of history, I learn lessons from history, and I teach them to people so they don't have to be repeated. If you're a fan of far future human civilization, space exploration, alien contact, mixed with the Bronze Age. You'll find samples of my new novel on there, Pax Humana, and it's fun because I hire professional voice actors to narrate the audiobook versions of them, so you can sit back and listen. Really fun and entertaining.
It's fun, ladies and gentlemen, just like assimilation. You heard it here first. All right, and then, for me, it's the weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend. So a special shout out to my son, Andy. His birthday's on Tuesday. Happy birthday, dude. Love ya. And, good times. All right, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, go over to the Google Play Store, look up the Ramen Raider, and become blessed with the app. You won't know what you did without it. And go to shop.theramenraider.com and buy everything in large amounts. Buy out the store. All right, have a good one. Bye.